Let's get started. Firstly, walk around the truck and make sure all the taps on the wheel gear are turned on. Check for any soft tires that may have leaked down overnight. This would indicate a leak that will require further investigation. Next, we will start the truck and make sure it has the correct air pressure. Turn the key to the accessories or on position to turn on the system. Start the truck to build up the air pressure. A minimum of 125 psi or 8.5 bar is needed for the system to work effectively. This is because the Bigfoot central tire inflation system takes air from a protected air supply and prioritizes the brake system. Changing settings. Changing pressure settings is done by selecting either the up or down buttons. There are 5 pressure settings: laden on highway, unladen on highway, laden off highway, unladen off highway, and emergency traction. Each depression up and down will select the next pressure setting. On highway laden is the highest pressure setting. The emergency traction pressure setting is the lowest setting. Select the correct setting that is relevant to the operating environment. Are you laden or unladen? On the highway or off the highway? When pulling onto the highway or changing from unladen to laden, it is advisable to adjust the setting before the change. When wanting to reduce tire pressure from laden to unladen or a highway to off highway, wait till the change has been made before adjusting the setting. The pressure showing on the display is the tire pressure once the system settles. The tire pressure setting will flash if the actual pressure is more than 5 psi away from the target setting and will stop flashing when under 5 psi. The display indicates when the pressure is being adjusted. If the system has been fitted to the drive axles only, then only Zone 1 will be functioning. The inflate LED will glow orange when inflating, and the deflate LED will glow green when the system is deflating. It's normal for the pressure readout to fluctuate whilst the system is inflating or deflating. The settled air pressure reading displayed is the actual tire pressure. An audible alarm will also indicate if air is leaking from the system. Low air. The Bigfoot central tire inflation system will prioritize the truck's braking system. The system needs at least 110 psi or 7.6 bar to operate and will stop operating at 90 psi or 6.2 bar. At 90 psi or 6.2 bar, the red low air light will illuminate and will not turn off until the truck's air pressure hits 110 psi or 7.6 bar. An audible alarm will also alert the driver to the low air situation. After 90 seconds, low air will show on the display. Global positioning system. The Bigfoot central tire inflation system has onboard speed sensing through the GPS. This is a safety feature designed to prevent the vehicle operating at a speed greater than intended for specific tire pressures. The display will indicate overspeeding, at which point you can slow down, change settings, or if ignored, the system will self-inflate. In the off-highway setting, your vehicle speed limit is generally set at 75 km per hour or 45 miles per hour. In the emergency traction setting, your vehicle speed limit is generally set at 40 km per hour or 25 miles per hour. End of day. Walk around the truck and make sure all the taps on the wheel gear are turned off. Check for any sign of leaks that will require further investigation. Slow leaks and punctures. If a slow leak or puncture occurs, the system will alert the driver every time the inflate solenoid operates to restore the system back to the target pressure. At this point, the driver should pull over and identify the problem. If the truck's compressor can keep up with the loss of air, then it is okay to continue the journey. Turn off all the wheel taps except for the problem wheel. This will increase the flow of air to the problem wheel to compensate for air loss. Seek repairs at the earliest opportunity. If the truck's compressor cannot keep up with the air loss, the display light will indicate dropping tire pressure. The truck will be periodically displaying low air as the pressure detection valve is activated. The display will also alert the driver through an audible alarm. At 50% of the target pressure, warning low tire pressure will be displayed, at which point the driver should have already pulled into a safe area and be seeking help. Servicing. The system requires minimal servicing. Please see servicing video for more info. Thanks for your time. Drive safe out there.